Is this the standard version? This is the super version. Oh my gosh. Mom, you are the best. This might be like $100. Okay, so let's open it. Are you serious? A box inside of a box. What the? How do I open this? Ooh, looks cool. So we got number 1. 9-level adjustment elasticity, I think it's called. Number 2, 8-level adjustable ball core magnets. Number 3, 20 magnet ball core and maglev. 4, UV code craftsmanship. 5, magnetic system. 6, Moyu time strap. Oh, we got a watch this time? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open the box. Oh my gosh, what is this monstrosity? This is like the weirdest cube box I've ever seen in my life. Except for the Game 13 maglev. That one was insane. Stain. So here we got here. We got a instruction manual, delivery copied GANs. And then we got a tool or whatever that thing is. We got a Japanese person, it looks like. And then we got another tool and another Japanese person. So let's get out of the watch 1 and watch part 2. I'm gonna put on this watch in another video if this video gets 50 likes. And then we have the true thing. That wasn't satisfying. The cube. One sec. Okay, the cube. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. There should be a button here. I saw this thing on YouTube. Oh, it's over here. Oh. Moments of truth. Oh my god. Dang, how strong are these magnets? Let's check out the adjustment system. How about that? Ah, never mind. My nail broke. Oh, okay, so now let's do a solve on the Moyu Super Weilong. I'm not gonna look and do random moves. So this is going to be a fair scramble. Yeah, where is it? I'm going to use 20.26.3. Whatever. So, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button I missed. So, bye. Yoink!